You're part of the flock.
I think I might be a sheep now.
We're in New Zealand to show how friendly and kind real Americans are by helping the Kiwis with our advanced American robots that definitely aren't Chinese.
Whoa, I almost bumped a sheep.
And then use them to pummel Australia and Brazil at the Robot Rampage World Cup.
It's humid here.
But first, we needed precious batteries.
Big is good. Yeah. Bigger the better.
Oh no!
We got it.
We bought these massively overpowered ones at a Kiwi hobby shop and bodged together a shitty rig.
These would do it. There's no other option in New Zealand if we want to herd sheep with the robot dogs.
Which is the only thing we want to do while we're here.
And what's the speed limit here?
It's in kms, no one knows.
This car only goes 30 km.
Does it really only go 30 kms?
Dude, the dash is all in Chinese. I have no idea.
All right, wide rights, also stay left and tight lefts, and let's just try to get to the highway as soon as possible because it's harder to make mistakes there, I think.
Okay, so we made it safely to a junkyard to test the totally safe, overpowered robot dog.
There's nothing left to do but plug in our sketchy battery into this sketchy lead in this exposed circuit board.
Either the dog walks out or we leave it here. Sure.
Right here?
Let's do it. It's heavy.
So the worst thing that could happen is there's some sort of short in the system that we didn't anticipate or added ourselves. And when we plug the batteries in, they cause all the electronics to go up in smoke and the batteries fuse inside the connectors and we can't get it unplugged. And then the batteries catch on fire and the dog catches on fire.
But that's not gonna happen. It's gonna work.
Yeah. All right.
Okay. Oh my God. I think it's good.
It didn't blow up.
It hasn't blown up yet.
It's kicking out.
Oh, yes, yes. Oh my God. Yeah. This is our favorite dog. Hey, let's go. We'll get a high five.
These outfits were key to the success of the robot dog working when we plugged it in.
They didn't care what we wore here, but I'm glad we wore this.
Yeah. It got us into the junkyard.
Now we're on our way to do the fun stuff. See if our advanced robot tech can make the Kiwis' lives easier by herding sheep and let their real dogs take a bit of a rest.
We're out here in southeast Auckland, New Zealand on Cashmore Farms. We operate a 3,000 acre property running sheep and beef, dry stock with some trading stock that we purchase in and sell off throughout the year.
What sort of technology does it take to keep the farm running?
As far as technology goes, it's probably what people would call old school. There's a lot of walking, a lot of whistling, dogs. It's very basic in terms of technology. We probably use more on the internet for emails than we would on the farm for anything else.
So we've brought our robot dog and we think that it has what it takes to maybe replace a couple of the dogs that you brought.
How long's the battery last?
About 40 minutes.
Caleb, how long's an average muster? There you go, so we've got an hour musters here.
Okay, we're close. We couldn't find any bigger batteries here, but we're down to give it a try if you're willing to let us.
Of course, give it a whirl.
Don't worry, I got this. Yeah, I'm just using the drone to actually herd the sheep. I think it's way better than a robot dog because it makes a lot of noise. There's also a real dog right next to me, which I've teamed up with. And I'm responding to whistle commands. And it seems to be, whoa, I almost bumped a sheep.
How's it going on your end, Sam?
They've learned that I'm nothing to be worried about. So I think I need to bump a few.
Yeah.
The sheep keep getting so brave.
The robot dog is being so bad.
Oh yeah, now I'm doing it. It's all me now.
Yeah, me too. Sam, there's one problem. This is going great. This is great. This is exactly what I wanted.
Where's the robot dog? You're part of the flock.
I think I might be a sheep now. Sam, is it working?
I'm about to get bumped out the sky.
Look at me, I'm doing it.
Look how much they're running. I think we finally figured it out.
Did you run out of batteries, Sam?
I'm just in the flock. I'm a sheep now.
I know how it feels.
All right, let's try and get at least one sheep over to us so we can
Like
pet it.
just one sheep.
Yeah, we just want one sheep.
I think it's good now. I think it's good now. Wait, I can't see the dog though. It's gone.
It lasts a good bit.
That thing was better
Operator
than...
couldn't count sheep though.
It's
Left a
true.
few behind.
They leak. They leak. Good effort.
Yeah, good job.
These Kiwis were really skeptical of us going into this with our robot dog and our drone, and with good reason. We were so much worse than the real dogs at herding sheep. The drone was okay.
Well, it could make them run until they got used to it.
The dog, though,
I mean, there's a couple of things that are the most important. Bite, bark, speed.
yeah, that doesn't start with B, though. Bite, bark, velocity.
Velocity.
The dog did great for what it was, and now it's done, and so are we. All right, so our robot sucked, but let's get back to our other robot, Jump Rope, and get it ready for the World Cup.
I don't think we're jet lagged. We're emotionally lagged.
And we're exhausted because you just explained how much you slept, which I think is like 5 hours.
I sweat enough for a 7-hour sleep though. It's humid here.
But jump rope's almost done.
We don't have much to do for this at all, except really just drive it around and get used to having you on the drivetrain and me on the arms. We got to do some practice with that. But I know a spot. This park looks so fun.
It looks so awesome.
Oh my God.
Damn, they got good skate parks here, I guess.
This is the first time bringing a robot to a skate park, for us at least. I'm sure people have done it, but I doubt they shred it as hard as we're about to.
All set, Sam?
Yeah.
All right, well, before we shred, I got us a surprise.
Some blue V's.
Yeah.
I've heard
and some
so much
pies.
about them. Pies?
Pies. Oh, that one's yours.
Thank you.
Went to a nice little pie shop this morning, and I asked them for the classics, nothing too advanced. I got one that's slightly more advanced. I'm gonna eat that one.
Some blue V's.
Cheers. Ten out of 10.
More pie?
Yeah. Don't finish that, Sam. It'll hurt your fragile tummy. Here, Sam. You're the jumper. I'm the driver. Oh no! We gotta go. Jumpy. If I had to guess, I think that the on switch just turned off. But it flew so far. That was probably like 35 feet. Oh, Sam. The battery's unplugged. It's not a big problem at all. The battery just came unplugged. Which is this is good information, because if it can't fly like 35 feet and land in the grass so far away from the quarter pipe, then it can't go in a robot ring. So that was good information. And now we can keep shredding. Maybe we should tape the connectors for the actual. Whoa!
We're not gonna. Cut that, slurs.
Jump rope has to be the sickest robot at the skate park.
By far. But there's still one thing left to do.
I think I catch your drift.
Just a drop in.
Just a simple drop in, Sam. Don't be cute. It's time to jump the pies in V. Let's get it, Sam. Oh, the batteries.
Okay, that'll do.
Okay.
This is a fun robot.
And definitely that wasn't a bad idea. Yeah, look at the front wheel, it's dragging.
Oh. It's still going.
Blue.
No,
Blue.
water.
Could be better. I don't think it's on fire anymore. Yeah, it was probably that.
Okay.
Right, Sam?
Yeah, I mean, every time you go to the skate park, something breaks on your bike or your board or whatever, just about. So it's to be expected, and I'd rather it happen here than in a fight.
Yeah.
So we'll get it fixed up. We got plenty of time. We got plenty ESCs.
So our American tech failed. Turns out the Kiwis are the ones who actually know what they're doing. In episode 2, our World Cup rival Jamie proves it. Starting at Halter, where they herd cows with an app, and the robot dog gets covered in Then we take Jump Rope to Rocket Lab, because of course the Kiwis built a rocket company too. They launch satellites and have landed stuff on Mars. So hopefully the rocket scientists there can help Jump Rope win the World Cup.